Have you ever been driving and noticed that dreaded airbag warning light pop up on your dashboard? It's one of those indicators that can be easy to overlook, but ignoring it could lead to serious consequences. In today's video, we're diving into the reasons why your airbag warning light is on, and what you should do about it. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to handle this issue and ensure your safety on the road. What is the airbag warning light? First, let's talk about what the airbag warning light means. Your car's airbag system, also known as the Supplemental Restraint System (SRS), is designed to deploy airbags during a crash to protect you and your passengers. When everything is working properly, the airbag light will flash briefly when you start the car and then turn off. But if the light stays on, it's indicating that there's an issue within the system. This warning light is your car's way of saying, hey, something's wrong with the airbag system, and it may not work in an emergency. Common causes of the airbag warning light. So, what could cause the airbag warning light to come on? There are a few common reasons. Faulty airbag sensors. Airbag sensors are scattered throughout your car and detect impact during a crash. If one of these sensors malfunctions or becomes damaged, the airbag system won't be able to operate correctly, triggering the warning light. These sensors are usually located in the front and sides of your vehicle, and they're crucial for proper airbag deployment. Damaged clock spring. The clock spring is part of the airbag system located inside your steering wheel. Its job is to maintain an electrical connection between the airbag and the car's electrical system while you turn the wheel. Over time, the clock spring can wear out or become damaged, interrupting the connection and turning on the warning light. Dead or weak battery. Believe it or not, a weak or dead car battery can sometimes cause the airbag light to come on. When the battery doesn't have enough power to keep all the electrical systems running, the airbag system can be affected. In some cases, even disconnecting and reconnecting the battery can cause the airbag light to trigger if the system doesn't properly reset. Corroded or loose wiring. Over time, wiring in your car's electrical system can become corroded or loosened. If the wires connecting the airbag system get damaged, this can interfere with the signals sent to the car's computer, leading to the warning light being illuminated. Aftermarket modifications. If you've recently installed aftermarket modifications, such as a new stereo system or steering wheel, it's possible that some part of the airbag system got disconnected or interfered with. In particular, steering wheel modifications can directly affect the airbag's wiring or sensors. Is it safe to drive with the airbag light on? Now, a question many people have is it safe to drive with the airbag light on? The short answer is, not really. When the airbag light is illuminated, it usually means that one or more of your airbags won't deploy in the event of a crash. That means you and your passengers are at higher risk in the event of an accident. It's also possible that, in some cases, the airbags could deploy incorrectly, which is equally dangerous. While your car may drive just fine with the airbag light on, it's critical to get the problem addressed as soon as possible. How to diagnose and fix the problem. Here are the steps you should follow. Use an OBDII scanner. The first thing you'll want to do is use an OBDII scanner to read any fault code stored in your car's computer. These codes will give you a specific reason for the airbag light being on. You can buy an OBDII scanner or have it done at an auto parts store or mechanic shop. Inspect the clock spring. If the fault code points to an issue with the steering wheel, there's a good chance the clock spring is to blame. Replacing a faulty clock spring will restore the connection between the airbag and the car's electrical system. Check the airbag sensors. If the code relates to the sensors, you'll need to inspect them for damage or dirt. Sometimes, simply cleaning or replacing a damaged sensor will resolve the issue. Test the battery. Make sure your car battery is in good condition. If it's weak or dying, replacing the battery may be the solution to your airbag warning light problem. Inspect wiring connections. If wiring issues are detected, you may need to clean or repair corroded or loose wires. A professional mechanic can help you identify which wires need attention. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and get notified when new videos come out.